Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, my name is Amanda and today I'm going to be doing some autumnal DIY. So the perfect setting is lovely rustic background and I have some amazing items to make up a wreath with. So my lovely friend here, Opal, she's also going to be doing a DIY. She's going to be making up an autumnal... Hello. Hi. She's going to be making up an autumnal hamper for her friend who is currently not so well, you know, so it's always nice to receive a autumn hamper or hamper of some sort. I'm going to be making up an autumnal wreath because today is the 2nd of October and I do not have a wreath on my door as yet, which is very naughty. I normally have the wreath on the door by the 1st of October, but I'm one day out, so it's absolutely fine, okay? I'm going to be using this Oasis, which has, as you can see, it's seen better days, but it's still...
recycled one.
A recycled one. It's seen better days, but it's still quite usable. So I'm going to be using this, and then I've also dried out some of these hydrangeas, and they've come out really lovely. Nice autumn green colour. So I'm going to be using those on the wreath, okay? So I've got a few other items here as well. So we've got some jute string, which you probably would have seen on some of my previous hauls. Can't remember where I picked this up from. It's one of the budget stores, but it's absolutely amazing because it comes in all this big roll. So if you'd like to see me make up this autumnal wreath, please keep watching. It's quite straightforward because with this I don't have to use a glue gun. I'm literally just going to be cutting the stems of the hydrangeas and then sticking them into the Oasis ring to create that autumnal wreath. Okay, so this is how the wreath is turning out at the moment. Okay, so I'm just going to be using some of these natural dried out flowers. It's a nice autumnal colour as well, that lovely burnt orange. So I'm just now putting it in between the geraniums.